So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy JPMorgan Chase stock, ticker symbol JPM in Canada, here on the Wealthsimple app. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom to where the magnifying glass is and press on that. Then once you're on the Discover screen, go to the top bar here where it says search and simply type in ticker symbol JPM. As you can tell, JPM, JPMorgan Chase, we want this option right here. So press where it says New York Stock Exchange, press on this option right here. Then to purchase a share or to purchase multiple shares, whatever you guys want, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on stocks. Now in this screen, as of right now, it's actually under fractional buy, but if you wanted to change that, press on fractional buy. You can change that to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, whatever you guys want. But just for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and just keep fractional buy, and I will just do $1. Keep in mind, this is in United States dollars, so there will be a conversion fee to Canadian by pressing on continue. And there you go. To confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order. As you can tell, my $1 cost in USD is actually going to be an estimated cost of $1.36 American. So keep that in mind if you do decide to buy, an American stock. But there you go. That is how to buy a JPMorgan Chase stock, ticker symbol JPM in Canada. Hope this video helped.